You can build a real AI agent that runs entirely on your own machine. No API keys, no cloud credits, no surprise bills at the end of the month. By the end of this video, you'll have a working local AI agent that uses tools, remembers context, and runs on your own hardware, using Hermes Agent and Ollama. If you appreciate me making this type of content, let me know by gently tapping that like button. Here we go. All right, first up, what do you actually need? The good news is not much. You need a machine with at least 8 gigs of RAM and a GPU that can handle a local model. I'm running this on an AMD Vega 8 APU, which is about as budget as it gets. For the LLM, I use Ollama with a 7B parameter model, QN2. 5 or Llama 3 work great. And for the agent framework, I use Hermes Agent. It's open source. It's free, and it runs entirely on your machine. No cloud dependency at any point. Quick break, if you're following along and this is making sense, hit that subscribe button. I'm dropping a pinned comment below with a question I want your take on. I read every single one. Link to the full setup guide is in the description too. Now, back to the build. Next is the actual setup. First, install Ollama and pull a model. I use Ollama pull QN2. 57B, that's about 4 gigs and runs well on consumer hardware. Then install Hermes Agent. The desktop version gives you a chat interface, a terminal, and access to the full tool system. You configure it to use your local Ollama endpoint, localhost port 11434, and you're done. No API keys, no accounts, no cloud. From download to first conversation, it takes about 15 minutes. Now here's where it gets interesting. Once the agent is running locally, it can do real work. It can search your files, run terminal commands, browse the web through a local Seer XNG instance, and use tools you give it through skills. I've got mine connected to my Obsidian vault, my local TTS server, and a custom YouTube transcript tool. All of it runs on this machine. The agent doesn't phone home to anyone. So to recap, you need Ollama for the model, Hermes Agent for the brain, and your own machine. No cloud, no API bills, no data leaving your computer. The whole setup takes under 20 minutes. And if you want to go deeper on what this agent can actually do once it's running, I made a video on exactly that, building a desktop companion AI that lives on your screen. You can check it out by clicking right here.